Do you know that there's a folder where you could easily access all the hidden tools for Windows? Well, that is called the GodMode folder. GodMode is a special folder in Windows that gives you a quick access to over 200 tools and settings that are normally tucked away in the control panel and in the other Windows admin menus. But the question is, where is this located at? Well, we're not going to look for it, but we're going to create one. Let me show you how. The first thing you gotta do is go to your desktop, right click and create a new folder. Copy the code on your screen or just copy it from the description below. Now simply rename the folder you created, paste the code and press enter. The folder icon will change, and when you double click it, you'll be able to access all the hidden tools and settings for Windows. This is really helpful, especially when you're trying several softwares and you want to uninstall it right after testing it. So instead of going to press Windows key, search control panel and choosing the uninstall program to uninstall whatever software you are testing, you could just go to this folder and create a shortcut of the add and remove programs. Then you are ready to uninstall right away by just clicking this icon over here. As for me, I have been testing a lot of headphones lately and comparing each headset's sound output, not to mention recording the built-in microphone and using those recordings in my video contents, which by the way you can check out at the top right side corner of your screen. I really needed this sound window, so you could change the recording device accordingly. So instead of pressing Windows key, searching for the control panel, and in the search bar you have to type sound, then this is the tool that I was talking about. You could just go to the GodMode folder and right click the change sound card settings and create a shortcut. So in this way you don't have to go through the same process over and over, and this tool is already on your desktop. There are a lot more things that you could do with this GodMode folder, and you just have to look on these tools and find whatever you use the most and make a shortcut for easy access. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share it. If you want to watch more videos like this, you could check out the videos on your screen. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.